Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing AdMath. AdMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we finished past papers of differentiation from paper 1 and from the year 2012 to 2015 with all variants P1, P2, P3, P11, P12, P13 and for all May, June and October, November questions. Today we are going to start paper 2 questions of differentiation. Let's have a look question number 1. Given that fx equals to x square minus 648 upon square root of x, find the value of x for which double derivative of x equals to 0. Very easy question. First write the equation of function fx equals to x square minus 648 upon root x. Then write the function 648. This is square root of x. This can be converted into x power negative half. Find the first derivative. X square derivative is 2x minus 648. The derivative of x minus half is minus half into x minus half minus 1 is minus 3 over 2. So 2x minus minus plus 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 4s are 8 324 x power negative 3 upon 2. Then find the double derivative of the function. 2x derivative is 2 plus 324. Write minus 3 upon 2 first. Subtract 1 from the minus 3 upon 2, that is 2 ones are 2 minus 5 upon 2. Plus minus minus 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 162. And now multiply 162 by 3. 162, kindly wait, I am opening my calculator. 162 by 3. The answer is 486. Upon x power 5 upon 2. According to question, double derivative of x is 0. 2 minus 486 upon x power 5 upon 2. Write 486 upon x 5 upon 2. Move over there. It will be positive. This is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 243 is equals to x power 5 upon 2. Or you may write it is 243 power to 2 upon 5 is equals to x. You know 243 is 3 to the power 5 and whole 2 upon 5 is already present. 5 cancel by 5, then 3 square is 9. Hence the value of x is 9. Hope you understand this easiest question. The entire question is very easy. You must have the concept of derivative, double derivative as well. Move to next question. Okay, this question came in May June 2012 paper 2123 and the question number in this paper is question number 3. Next question. Given that y is equals to 4x plus 1 cube square root. Find dy by dx. Very easy. First write 4x plus 1 power 3. Square root means 1 upon 2. 4x plus 1 power to the power is multiply. 3 into 1 upon 2 is 3 upon 2. Now find the derivative. Write power first. Subtract 1 from the power. 3 upon 2. 4x plus 1. 3 upon 2 minus 1 is 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 upon 2. This is our excuse me, this is our final answer. This is the derivative of the function. Write the power first, subtract, oh sorry, one more thing. The derivative of 4x plus 1 must be found. I forgot, I am sorry, accept my apology. 4x plus 1 derivative is 4. So 2 2 is a 4, 2 3 is a 6, 4x plus 1 to the power 3 upon 2. This is our final answer. So I forgot to find the derivative of the function. That is the derivative of 4x plus 1. Move to next part. Hence, find the approximate increase in y as x increases from 6 to 6 plus p, where p is small. Student, you must remember, whenever you see the word hence, it means you have to take the help from the previous answer. Our previous answer was dy by dx is equals to 6 4x plus 1 power 3 upon 2. Now according to question, 6 to 6 plus p means we have to put x is 6 and delta x is 6 plus p minus 6, that is p. So satisfy the value dy by dx by x is equals to 6. 6 4 into 6 plus 1 power 3 upon 2. 4 6 is 24 plus 1 25 power 3 upon 2. 25 can be write 5 square 2 power 3 upon 2. 2 to cancel. 6 into 5 cube is 125. And what is the answer of 6 multiplied by 125? 6 multiplied by 125 is 750. Is 750. I am checking again. Is there any mistake? 3 upon 2. 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25. Yes, no mistake. Now write the formula. Delta y is equals to dy by dx into delta x. Dy by dx is 750, delta x is p. I'm just checking, is there any mistake or not? Oh, is there any mistake? No. 25, 4 6 are 24 plus 125 to the power 3 upon 2. 5 square, square cancel by square, 125, 125. No mistake. So I was just checking, is there any mistake or not? So this is our final answer, 750p. I hope you understand completely. Move to Next question. This question came in May-June 2012, paper 22, and the question number was question number 3. See this question, very interesting. An open rectangular cardboard box with a square base is to have a volume of 256 cm cube. Find the dimensions of the box if the area of the cardboard used is as small as possible. So mensuration concept is involved. I am roughly draw a box. So square base means if this one is the length, this one is also L, and this is height. Now according to the question, the volume of this box is 256 cm cube. The volume means L into H is equals to 256. L into L is L square into H, 256. Then H is equals to 256 upon L square. The requirement is we have to find the dimension, that is length, and H, question mark. Okay. Sorry for this. So this is the box. Now empty box means you can see the word with open rectangular box. Open means the above side, the top of the box is open. So I am writing over here open. Okay. So now write the formula of area of the rectangular shape, like the area of the cuboid, that is 2 multiplied by length square, 2 multiplied by width square, or you can say base square, length by base square, and plus 2 multiplied by, or you may write, if I kindly wait, I want to show you something. Two multiplied by length square plus breadth square plus height square. This is the formula of the rectangular box or cuboid. But see this. In our question, the box is open. So we have to write L square plus 2 into length into height plus 2 into base into height, or length, and 2 into length into height. This is the formula. I repeat again, we don't involve 2 with L square because the box is open. So we will not take the portion of the area which is open. So L square plus 2 into length by height, or you can say breadth by height, because the breadth is length and breadth both are same because it is a square base. Okay, so length square plus 4LH, this is the formula, or length square plus 4 into L into H. We have find the value of H from here, which is 256 upon L square. Okay, so I hope you understand. Now A is equals to L square plus 256 by 4. 256 by 4 is 1024 upon This L cancel by this square, so it is L. Okay, or you may write is A is equals to L square plus 1024 L minus 1. Now according to question, the area is as small as possible, means we have to find the derivative, that is dA by dL, which is 2L minus 1024 L minus 2, minus 1 is minus 2, 2L minus 1024 upon L square. In order to find the value of L, we have to replace dA by dL by 0. So 2L minus 1024 upon L square. Or you may write 1024 upon L square is equals to 2L. 2 5s are 10, 2 12s are. So this is 512, 512. 512 is equals to L square into L is L cube. Or you may take cube root of 512, which is 8. So our dimensions was length, length and h. Length and h was 256 upon L square. 256 upon L square. So L we have find 8, then L is 8. 256 upon 8 square. So 8, 256 upon 64. 8, 256 upon 64 is 4. Hence our dimensions are, write the answer in this form. Dimensions are 8 by 8 by 4. This is our final answer. So hope you understand. The concept, the main concept is to know the formula of the volume of cuboid, to know the formula of the surface area of cuboid, and to know the concept of open. Open means we will not take 2 with the L square because the area is not include. So student, this is our today's class. This question came in May-June 2012, paper 22. I hope you understand completely this question. In next lecture we will do more questions of differentiation in order to grip the more concept of this topic. So if you like my videos, my channel, kindly do subscribe my channel and share my videos, my channel, as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.